Your car guy here. Today we're working on a 2016 Ford Flex. We're going to put the Auxito LED headlights in. And any of you that saw my video on the Ford F-150 that we put these Auxito LED headlights in, you know just how much of a difference they make. As a matter of fact, so the vehicle I put those in, that F-150, belongs to a friend of mine. This is his wife's car. After his wife saw how good those lights were in his truck, she kept complaining, when are you going to put them in my car? So for Christmas, he bought her headlights. Now we're going to put them in. Now, doing them on the Ford Flex is fairly simple, not near as much work as the F-150. You can reach right into the headlight, which is right there. You'll see my fingers on it. And it will be able to be changed much more simply. We're just going to turn it about a quarter of a turn to the left, or I should say it'll be counterclockwise facing it. And we can pull out the bulb. We'll unplug the plug there by pushing in that tab and then slide the bulb right out of the housing. Inside the case for our Auxito lights, there's a pair of white gloves to use to put our light in. Some zip ties if we need to do any wiring that needs to be tied up. Then we have our lights, and you'll see these are a dual filament bulb that they are replacing. And you'll see we have a little bit of a lead with the inverter built into the light. So there's nothing to do but plug and play, and then we can use our zip ties to tie up the extra light here. And it's going to directly replace this bulb. The new bulb is going to slide right into position, right underneath there where the old bulb came out of. Okay, we're going to get this lined in, and then we will turn it what will be clockwise to lock it into place. Then it's just a matter of plugging the existing headlight harness into this, and we'll tie it up so it doesn't bounce around. On the passenger side, there's a little more room, but you'll see that there's two tabs that stick out on the lights. So if we look at these lights, and those are pretty much up and down when you insert the light, and then you're going to lock it. With the light locked, you'll see how the light itself, those filaments are aligned vertically in the light. Now what's neat, the Auxito LED light, you can then turn the back section if you need to, right here, independent of the lock ring, in order to align the light LED signals. Let's get a better signal in there. So let me show you that this can be turned, and that will allow you to align your LED diodes in order to get them to reflect properly in the reflector. All right, even with the headlights dirty, I want you to see on the left, we have the brand new Auxito LED, and on the right, the standard halogen. Night and day difference. Quick, easy install, plug and play on the Ford Flex. Again, nothing special. This is way easier than your F-150 to do, but you're gonna see better. You're gonna be safer on the roads. You're gonna be seen with the Auxito LED headlights. There is a link in the description to the Auxito website. You'll get 15% off when you use my link at Auxito when you purchase headlights for your vehicle. And again, these are plug and play, much better lighting, much safer for you. I'll include a link to the video of the F-150 we did and the difference in the driving with these lights, but already you can see the difference just as I've shown. This is your car guide. Please like and share the video. Go to Auxito, get yourself some better headlight. Subscribe to the channel.